Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sun TV. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all boys. As y'all can see, we in the big cat, you feel me? You feel me? We just doing a POV. I gotta drive to the DMV, you feel me? Because I gotta get me another driver's license because I did lose my wallet this weekend and my driver's license was in there as long as my cards. So you feel me, boy, gotta handle some business. So I was like, why not just, you feel me, record y'all a little POV while we doing that. Let me get y'all a little pull. Hold on. Woo! This baby pulling. But y'all mind, please, you feel me, like up the video, you feel me, comment, subscribe, you feel me, so we can go ahead and, you know, turn that channel up. I ain't finna be going too crazy. I ain't gonna be sliding in this video, you know, I'm just finna be, you feel me, driving. Let me do something with this sunroof so y'all won't be hearing all that wind noise. We're gonna leave it closed. I ain't gonna do too much talking, y'all. I ain't gonna be talking y'all off in this video. Unless y'all want me to talk. What's the smell? Y'all, I really been contemplating on when I think I'm gonna underground tune my car. I'm trying to figure out, should I buy me a, should I let them just tune the regular PCM? I gotta get over. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna let them tune the regular PCM or should I buy a, or should I just buy another PCM to get it tuned? Cause I do got a warranty on this car. And I'm trying to figure out, like, if I do go underground tuning, if I buy another PCM, would that basically keep my warranty intact? Or y'all might know more stuff about that. So if y'all know anything about that, drop that down in the comment. Also, I'm trying to figure out, should I go super burbles or advanced burbles? I might just go ahead and go super burbles. And I think it also give you some a little horsepower boost. Like, I think it said like 60 or 70 horsepower. So, I'm probably going to do that. I might wait till it get hot. Probably around springtime to do that. Because that's when I'm going to do like some more of the expensive stuff to the car. Like my wrap and like the underground tuning. I don't know. Y'all boy let me know. I also need to go ahead and get that carbon fiber steering wheel like I said I was. It'll look real hard, no cap. Come on, light. All right. I'm so tired of the sky being cloudy. What a blue sky is it? It's supposed to be nice and sunny outside this weekend, but I'm gonna have to work. I know y'all hit them pops. I ain't gonna lie, this is not the best area for them to be hitting these pops. The police gonna be on demon time. Let's see if we can find us some parking up in the thing. Nope. This place always booming. There go a little parking spot right there. Well, y'all, I'm finna park up the car, and then when I get everything taken care of, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. We gonna, you feel me, drive some more. So I'll be back. All right, YouTube. Then we back up in the whip. We're gonna go ahead and put that bit in track mode. So I did just get my license renewed. Feel me? So we good in the hood now. Oh, I forgot. Kill switch. Let the windows down so y'all boy can, you feel me, hear the car a little bit better. I guess they gonna, I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch sound good bouncing off them walls. Ooh! It sound like somebody just shot a Draco. They got the stop sign here. I'm getting tired of getting caught by all these red lights. But already trying to break loose. I'm talking about the exhaust be echoing off these buildings so hard. We must go catless though. Catless. What it is, catless with the mid muffler. I think I went the wrong way. You know what? Nah. I think I know where I'm at. I really don't know where I'm at now. But we're gonna find a way. I don't know how this train track is. Not too bad. My seatbelt. Why do I always forget this? Are we good now? Baby, pulling hard on this Monday morning. I'm talking about pulling hard. Y'all also let me know, do y'all want me to make a video like, let me let the window up just a little bit. Well, I'll let them up all the way. Yeah, let me know if y'all want me to make a video on YouTube about basically how to start a YouTube channel like with your car. Like, you don't necessarily have to have no Hellcat or no Scat Pack, but like basically some tips and stuff that from my YouTube journey on what y'all need to do to get monetized. What I advise y'all do, like basically how many videos y'all need to make, what's the best way to get subscribers and stuff. I ain't no big YouTuber now, but you feel me, I can show y'all boys a little something, you feel me, on how to get started on YouTube and get monetized and stuff. It's not really hard at all. It's just, you feel me, You really just got to be consistent. So if y'all want me to make a video about that stuff, drop it down in the comments, because I'll make a video, most definitely. I was trying to do it, but these tires are so weak. This thing is spinning all the way up to 70. I don't know if y'all see how my car was kind of fishtailing right there. These tires is so weak. That bit was snaking up the road. We gotta slow down right here. It's a little pothole type thing. And there go a dope fiend. Dang, y'all would get over when I'm getting over. Really trying to hurry up and get home because I'm hungry and I have a headache. I know I got a headache because I ain't ate. If y'all got any more mod suggestions, well, like cosmetic mod suggestions, or you know what, if y'all got any more mod suggestions, let me know in the comments. That's what I think I should do to the cat. We're trying to have the hardest Charlie in Birmingham. Oh, I'm doing good. Oh, thank you, thank you.
I used to have a hot rod.
For real? What?
A 66 Ford Fairlane.
Really?
500.
Oh. You still got it? Oh, okay. Well, all right then. Okay. Girl, we were gonna whoop you, girl. She said she used to have a hot rod. Bring it out then. Let me show you what that cat can do. I'm always getting stopped in traffic. Oh yeah, we did have a supporter who seen us today. You feel me? If you watching the video, shout out to you, bro. I wish I was recording. I really don't even be knowing what to say to people. I do not know how to communicate with people. When she was talking to me, I did not know what I was saying. But y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I just had to make something quick for y'all boys, you feel me? So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? And until next time, this gonna be it. Peace.